If you've ever wondered how to search in itch.io quickly and find the exact game you're looking for, this video is going to walk you through it step by step. Whether you want to browse by category, filter by a specific tag, or use the search bar to find a game by name, I'll show you the fastest way to narrow down your results and save time. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software and website tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open itch.io in your browser. Once you're on the homepage, look at the top left corner and click the Browse tab. This is a great starting point because it opens up the platform's main discovery area where you can explore different types of games, collections, and categories. If you're not exactly sure what you want yet, browsing is a useful way to get inspired and see what's available. Now, if you want to narrow things down even more, look for the Select a Tag dropdown. Click that dropdown and choose the tag that matches the kind of game you want. For example, you might select a genre, style, theme, or gameplay category. As soon as you choose a tag, itch.io will instantly update the results and show you games that satisfy that filter. This is one of the easiest ways to discover games that fit a specific interest without manually scrolling through endless pages. It's especially helpful if you're looking for something like horror, puzzle, indie, pixel art, or any other niche category. If you already know the exact game name you're trying to find, then the search bar is the fastest option. You'll find the search bar at the top of the page. Click inside it, type the game title exactly as you know it, and then press enter or wait for the results to load. This is ideal when you're searching for a specific game, developer, or project you've seen before. In just a few seconds, itch.io will pull up matching results, making it much easier to jump straight to the game you want. So to recap, if you want to search in itch.io, start by using the Browse tab to explore categories, use the tag dropdown to filter by specific genres or styles, and use the search bar when you already know the exact title. Each method helps you find games faster depending on what you're looking for. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next simple how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.